Hello guys, this is Brian Barbosa. I'm a computer science student at the Federal University of Juiz de Fora in Brazil, and also I am a research assistant for the Center for Research and Education on Aging, the CREA, from the University of California in Berkeley. And today I'm going to show you a simple library, a micro library that we created on CREA for a project that we are developing with the Vocore tool, open hardware and open hardware single board computer that makes you able to interface the Vocore with the light sensor BH-1750. This is the code of the library. As you can see, it's a very small code, and it's very simple to use it too. I'm going to show you the test. The code is based on the codes that you can find for Raspberry Pi on the internet. It uses the SM bus. It's a subset of the protocol I2C. So I'm going to show you a code for testing it right now, and we are going to run this code that is already on the Vocore too. And you can see it here. And on the first line, I'm importing the library, and I'm importing everything that is in it. On the second line, I'm importing the function sleep from the model time of Python for giving a delay after we read. And right here, I'm creating an object light sensor of the class BH-1750, and now we are entering in an infinite loop where we're going to read a register of the sensor and print it out on the screen. And after that, we are going to make it sleep for a half of a second. Okay, here I'm specifying which one of the registers of the sensor that I'm willing to read. Here I'm reading the register for continuous write resolution of 0.5 lux register. There is a lot of other registers, as you can see here. There's a register for reading it once, just once, with low resolution. If I am not wrong, that's a resolution of 4 lux. This is a register for reading it once with write resolution, once with write resolution of 1 lux, write resolution of 0.5 lux. This is a continuous reading with low resolution of 4 lux as the other one. This is a continuous reading of high resolution of 1 lux, and the last one is the continuous reading of high resolution with 0.5 lux. Okay, and that's it. When you call this function, you have to specify each one of the elements of the dictionary you want to access, and it's going to send on the requisition the address of the register that we are going to access this time. And here is a simple conversion function, and when we run it, we can see the level of luminosity, the measurements of the light varying according to exposure of the sensor to the environment. I'm going to run it right now, and I'm with the Vocore open right now on my terminal on the Mac. There's no tutorial when I'm recording this video for accessing the Vocore using the terminal of the Mac, but the process is the same of accessing the Vocore with the terminal of the Linux. And there is a video on this same channel for doing that, and you can access it. Okay, so I'm going to run the code for testing the sensor right now. We are going to get a lot of readings, and you will see on your video on your screen of me exposing the sensor to the light and creating some shadows over the sensor too. When it happens, you're going to see the levels of the light varying according the level of light that the sensor is exposed to. Okay, I'm going to run it right now using Python 3, and it's getting the readings. Right now it is exposed to the light of my table, and when I put some shadow over it, you can see that the readings are going to decrease a lot. If I put it on under complete shadow, you can see that it gets nothing of light. The reading goes to 0 lux, and if I expose it to the light again, it starts increasing the level of the light again. So that's it, and I think it's pretty simple to use. It's pretty simple to implement codes with that, and I hope you enjoy. And if you have any suggestions, you can send a comment under this video, and you can also send pull request to the repository that's in the description of this video. We will be very happy to receive help and contributions from the community. And good luck with your projects. Bye bye.